Okay, so this video is for my ladies who love wearing lashes. Now listen, I've been wearing these cluster lashes for the last 3 months, and I just put on a fresh set this morning, so I wanted to show you how it's looking. This is how it's looking. So I have on a 16, 14, 12, and I have 10 in the corners, but this is by the brand YIDUO from TikTok shop, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's spelled YIDUO. And these are the lashes that I've been wearing for the last couple of months, and I purchased this, and this was like under $10. So you can buy it by itself, and then you can also buy it as a set, and it comes with like the tools that you can put your lashes on with. So this is like a little prong, and then this comes with the bond, which is the glue, and then it comes with a remover. So it helps the lashes slide off, so your lashes will be protected. My lashes have been growing ever since I've been wearing these cluster lashes, and this is my favorite set. So if you are looking for cluster lashes, TikTok shop has them, and I will leave the link down in the caption or down below right here. So try them out.